We've been taught that corporate stability is built on glass and steel, but those foundations are beginning to shatter. PwC's 2026 analysis reveals an extreme concentration of wealth. A tiny 20% of companies are now capturing 74% of all the economic value generated by AI. This divergence is reaching into careers that were once considered untouchable, starting with the people who actually build the software. In a move surprising the tech sector, PwC officially classified software developers under the Democratised Track. AI tools lowered the skill barrier so rapidly, the traditional coding expertise premium is evaporating. PwC's data describes a global labor market splitting into two distinct, unequal tracks. Track 1 consists of professionalized roles, jobs like radiologists and recruiters. In these fields, AI handles the routine data sorting, leaving high-stakes human judgment as the primary value driver. These roles are growing twice as fast. Since the 2021 generative AI boom, their salary growth accelerated 42% faster than non-professionalized positions. Meanwhile, democratized roles like IT managers and basic coders face severe wage stagnation. Because AI tools now handle structured, rules-based tasks, non-experts can perform work that once required specialization. This creates a massive oversupply of labor, stripping these roles of their bargaining power. To avoid this stagnation, workers are pursuing a 62% wage premium by combining deep domain expertise with practical AI fluency. If you are a student or a recent graduate, you are facing a significant new barrier to entry that didn't exist 5 years ago. PwC found that AI-exposed entry-level jobs are now 7 times more likely to demand high-level traits like strategic judgment, leadership, and creativity compared to non-AI roles. Routine tasks like data entry and formatting have been fully automated, removing the historical on-ramp where juniors used to learn the ropes of their industry. Companies have moved away from the multi-year grace period for new hires. Today, graduates are expected to exercise complex critical thinking and leadership on their first day. Traditional junior work has been replaced by high-stakes AI-augmented execution roles that require immediate, independent judgment. The corporate side of this split is equally stark. 80% of companies are struggling to see a return on AI because they use it strictly to cut costs, leaving them stuck in a cycle of endless pilot tests. In contrast, the top tier of AI leaders use the technology to reinvent their entire business models. This approach has secured them a 7.2 times financial performance advantage over their peers. These leaders have achieved a 52% growth in headcount and a 163% boost in labor productivity. It's important to note these are cumulative figures, measured against a 2018 baseline, rather than an overnight surge. This performance gap is largely driven by industry convergence. The highest financial rewards are flowing to companies that use AI to break out of their traditional sectors, like healthcare firms partnering with automotive tech to create entirely new categories of service. This shift is visible in manufacturing and tech hubs like Taiwan and Singapore, where AI specialist positions have seen a 7-fold surge. The strongest hiring momentum is currently behind AI users, domain experts who can integrate existing AI platforms into their specialized fields, rather than building the models themselves. To move toward the professionalized track, you need a structured transition. This 10-week upskilling roadmap is designed to build those specific capabilities. Weeks 1 through 4 build technical fluency, mastering prompt workflows, data, and dashboards. Weeks 5 through 7, pick a vertical and map AI into its decisions. The final weeks, build a portfolio proving your human-in-the-loop critical thinking. Survival in the 2026 economy depends on proving that your human judgment is a necessary part of the workflow. That is the only way to secure a place on the professionalized track. Which track is your current job on? Let us know in the comments below. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more deep dives into the future of work.